you need to kind of de-brainwash yourself from what most people are brainwashed towards, and that is to invest in assets for appreciation. Everything you do should be about what you can have some sense of control over and what cash flows for you and how it cash flows, active or passive. And so how someone should start out of the gate is just kind of just saying, dedicating themselves to building passive income in their life, and then starting to research that. That's kind of the first thing. You know that you need 20,000 a month in passive income. So you start researching, what industries am I familiar with? What industries are important to me morally, or what have you? And then how is their cash flow produced in those industries? And you don't really have to go far. You can go into Facebook groups in certain industries. You can go to conferences, you can do meetups, what have you, and you will find successful people in whatever area of expertise or whatever area you're looking at. And these people will have methods by which they develop passive or monthly income. And then you need to learn from those people.